Also between minibuses that comes with chain timing and the ones that come with belt timing, which one is the best for commercial use in Nigeria? Because this question is the first question that rings in the mind of people that are coming into the minibus business, especially when people have given them advice. Because most people, once they want to advise, they'll tell you to buy manual, and the manual with belt. And if you are buying manual with belt, you are paying up to 400,000 naira extra just to get that belt. And for that reason, some people believe that the belt transmission is way better because the price is higher, because that's what tends to happen in Nigeria. Because in Nigeria, anything that the price is higher, we always tend to believe that that one is the best. But in this scenario, I'll tell you that is not actually the truth. So in this video, you are going to know the best one to choose between the chain timing and the belt timing for minibuses. Which one is best for commercial use, and which one should you select, and the advantages, disadvantages of both the belt and the chain timing. So let's get started. Let's start with the advantages of the belt timing. Number one advantage is quieter operation. When compared with the chain timing, the belt is made of rubber, so the operation is always smooth and quiet. Then lower initial cost. The cost of fixing and the belt timing is way too low because you just buy one belt. The belt is cheaper than the chain, so lower initial cost of installation, and also scheduled maintenance. Belt timing has a refined time span, while the chain timing is designed to last with the car, like till the engine dies off. So the belt timing comes with a lifespan of 70,000 to 120,000 miles. So it all depends on how you take care of. Then you talk about durability and longevity. The chain timing lasts longer than the belt timing. So if you are comparing that, the chain lasts longer because the belt, after about 70,000 miles, you need to replace it, because if that belt snaps or cuts, it might lead to catastrophic engine failure. Then talk about fuel economy. The chain timing offers higher performance. Fuel economy and the chain timing is top notch. So the chain is good when it comes to fuel economy. Then we move over to the disadvantages of the belt timing. The belt timing has its own disadvantages, including shorter lifespan because you need to change it every 70,000 to 120,000 miles. Then go to the next one, higher potential for catastrophic engine failure. Remember that the valves may still be open and the piston will keep working. So while the piston is working, it might be hitting the valve, and that might lead to a fracture of the piston. So it can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Then let's get down to the advantages of the belt timing. The belt timing does not need scheduled maintenance, so that one is designed to last the whole lifespan. Talking about the next one, which is durability and longevity, this one can run up to 300,000 miles without any failure. Then you talk about better fuel economy. The chain timing offers improved fuel economy, and also no scheduled replacement day because this one can run 300,000 miles and above. So for chain timing got you covered. Then let's go down to the disadvantages of the chain timing. The disadvantage of the chain timing is initial cost of installation. Buying a chain timing is way costlier than buying belt, so the initial cost of installation is higher. The other disadvantage of the chain timing, which is the major reason why mechanics always advise people to go for the belt, is the higher cost of repair and the work included, because when you are to buy the chain, it will cost you more when compared with belt, and also for a mechanic to fix that chain, it will charge you more because he will have to carry out so much job, and the job is not that easy. It's not as if it's too huge, but it's bigger when compared with the belt timing, because the belt will just use something and put it back. Then oil dependency. If you are somebody that does not like doing your normal routine maintenance, please avoid chain timing, because if the oil there is not okay, or the oil there is not the grade that is required, that chain timing will fail faster, and if it fails, you are going to cater for it, because most people who do transport business, they don't care. They will just be driving their car like that. Some can even use old oil, some can be topping oil. That is not advisable. So if you don't have a good maintenance culture, avoid chain timing. Then let's get down to which one to buy. Which one is the best for commercial use? I know this is what I've been looking for. For me, I would advise you, if you're low budget, go for the chain timing. For example, the chain timing for the automatic right now is at 3.9 million, while the belt timing goes high as 4.2 million. Going to the manual belt timing cost up to 4.5 million naira, while the chain timing cost 4.1 million naira. You can see the difference, 400,000 naira difference. So let's say that you are going for the manual with belt, that's an additional cost. And for people who would like to know more about automatic versus manual minibus, which one to choose in Nigeria, you can also check the link up here, or you also check the link in the description. We made a video on that. So which one are you choosing? If you're on a low budget, go for chain timing. And that chain timing, you really enjoy it. The only thing you need to do is do your normal maintenance. Put oil as at when due, because if the oil is not there, the chain timing will start wearing, and when it wears off, that's a bad sign. It will start disturbing you until you go and change it. Then for the belt timing is okay if you can afford it. It's still okay. The belt timing is nice as well. It's very easy for our Nigerian mechanics to change, so that's why they always recommend it. So but if you need the timing that will last for you all through, the chain timing is the best. You just buy your chain timing. Moreover, latest models don't even come with belt timing anymore, so you can see that the chain timing is the best. So you can buy the chain timing, and it's even cheaper than the belt timing. But if you still insist, the belt timing is still available. I have both of them in stock. Also, if you need these buses, please do want to reach out to Alpha Luxury Wheels Limited of 081 07 99 2356 for a clean bus at an affordable rate. Also, if you need to know more about minibuses and even other cars, do want to like and subscribe, because we got so much more videos coming your way. And if you have any more questions, drop them in the comment section. We will read them, update you. If there is the one that we cannot write down, we can just give you a link and make a video on that. Thank you.